Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. So I think this was fantastic. The entry point I provided here in the last video. Unfortunately, didn't get many views, that Mana video. Let's see if this one is different. But we talked about, obviously, I think I started to cover Mana again when we moved up here, anticipating that this could become an interesting structure. And indeed it was. And first of all, we reached my target area here, then bounced into the support, target and trend reversal area for an entry point. And yeah, absolute madness today. So let's see if the video views are better today. I guess they will be. That's always a shame that people only watch them when when there's a lot of volatility in the market, because that's exactly when opportunities can be missed. However, that means Mana is back on our radar as well. I think we've got here a situation where we possibly have an ascending broadening wedge. We reacted now to this trend line. I mean, it's, these trend lines are always a little bit subjective. You could argue we've broken it, we're still in it. I think we're still in it. And the market moved up as expected, obviously stronger, than you would expect the ideal target. But that's typically what you get when you have an impulsive price move. Certainly it's following here the idea that this could be a fifth wave of a third. There's currently no evidence that this is topped. The strength of this confirms my thesis that this here is a third wave to the upside. The wave 4 should then start at some point, and then we should get a fifth wave to the upside still. So I don't think this rally is over yet. As long as we're holding here, especially I would say the channel, the trend line, as long as that's the case, obviously we are still in this pattern. This pattern we can bounce once more to the trend line, certainly a pullback, which might provide another entry point, but I can't really give you a target until I see a reversal signal. At the moment this can still push higher, and it will be interesting to see if we're pushing through the trend line. I wouldn't be too surprised if we do it, because if we say, all right, we've got here a fifth wave to the upside of a third, this could be a 1-2 setup and another 1-2 setup, looking at the strength of this, and then this could be a third wave, which means within this fifth we could still push way higher. It would be unusual for a fifth, and maybe eventually I need to change the count here. But at the moment, this is not too unlikely that we have here a 1-2-1-2 setup. I mean, it could also be a 1-2-3-4-5, with a very strong fifth wave. Then we would have it nearly. But again, we don't have a reversal signal yet, and nothing stopping it at the moment. So, this is getting serious now. What is the next key resistance area on the 4-hour chart? If I zoom out, we can see that there isn't really anything structurally that could stop the price until 74.5 cents. In terms of key resistance, we have here resistance, here a support area and resistance, here support. So the 74 cent level will be highly relevant. We could get stopped around these swing lows at around 58 cents, to watch that level. But if we break above that, I'm confident we could even get to 74 cents. Well, let's see if that all happens in one go. Ideally, I'd be looking very shortly here at a wave 4 retracement. But until we see a clear reversal signal, something like a bearish engulfing candle, this can still push higher. And I would say a move below the last swing low here, even though it's only a small swing low, a move below the 49.3 cent level would indicate that a local top is in place. But bear in mind, this would only, if I zoom out a bit, this would only, no, I messed up the count here. This would only be a fourth wave, and there should still be another fifth wave. So what could happen, that we are maybe going to 58 cents, bounce off, come down here in the fourth wave, and then we'll rally in the fifth wave all the way up to the top. Let's see, could be very interesting. Could maybe get a very exciting weekend, to be honest. Looking forward to that. So hopefully you liked the update about Mana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.